Hello friends, today we configure Archer C54 TP-Link dual main router. First connect your router with laptop and open your search browser. Type 192.168.1.1 default login IP address. Router login page open. Put your login password. Again type confirm password and click on get start. Now router configuration page is open. Select your country zone time as per your country and click on next for continue configuration. Connection type page is open. Many type of connection is display like is a dynamic IP, static IP, triple PoE. You select your connection which provide your ISP. By choosing triple PoE which provide my ISP. Now put your username and password which provide your ISP and click on next for continue configuration. This router is a dual band 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Both band the SSID is display. Now you select your password as per your requirement and click on next for continue configuration. On the wireless setting page for the dual band router, you must enter the SSID and password. If you are satisfied with the SSID and password, click on next for continue configuration. Friends, your configuration is complete. Now click on finish. Friends, how did you like this video? Please tell me in the comment box. Like and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you to watch my video.